So also for the fuel increase, kabalo naman ta last March 14, I think, the PUBs have already increased, no, because of the order given by the central office. But the recent updates, because of the directive of President Bongbong Marcos, the central office issued an order, consolidated order. So basically, lahat ng petitions na final sa central office for the fare increase are so suspended immediately. So kahapon yon nilabas ang consolidated order. So as of now, we are still awaiting for further guidelines regarding on this. So as is po yung pamasahe muna natin. So there are no increases po as of the moment.
Sa fare increase mo pero kagahapon announce sa tawang Pangulo nga suspend sa kay maka-apekto po siya sa tuwang mga commuters. Right now, attorney, na nabatay mga nadawat nga mga reklamo or kuano or usabay alternative na gusto sa tuwang mga bus drivers para dili po sila kayo mabugatan sa kining fuel increase.
So yes, now we have, syempre naman dyan na yung sentiments, it's normal because they are affected of the crisis. So what the central office and the national government is preparing is the one Engineer Ron mentioned, the subsidy, ginapadali siya, no? So we are instructed to submit ASAP all those data para ma-release. We are just, I think, based on the latest update, we are just waiting for the SARO from the, I think, NCA from the DBM to LTFRB para ma-release yung fuel subsidy. I guess these are the things that we can provide as of now despite the suspension of the fare increase. So, ato siyang padalion para for the meantime na atay solusyon na ma-provide sa ato ang affected drivers and operators. And then, we are also mandated by the central office to parang i-revive natin or i-implement ulit yung service contracting program, but we have no guidelines yet as of now. So those are just the measures po na we are looking at.
Service contracting program pareha sa Love Bus.
Yes.
So yung so na may contract ng mga sa PUJ or
Yes.
bus.
Yes, sir. But we are still awaiting for the guidelines. Possible lang po na measures because of the suspension po ng fare
Okay.
increase.
So you mentioned so kaning contract service contracting scheme, attorney, no? So meaning madugangan pa ba ang mga libreng sakay or usabay unsa ba na siya?
Most probably, sir, but we do not have yet the certain guidelines. Possibly mag-update lang din po kami if may na sa amin directives na po.
Okay. Last lang, attorney, what if no karon ba nagapon nag-expect na mo taas pa sa especially sa to mga bus kasi sila may mas nauna na kuanan na pwede na sila magtaas and then suddenly the president announced na i-hold sana. Unsa ba what if na yung mga bus companies or mga bus drivers or kung ba nga pasaka silang petihan, unsa ba ang ilahang atubangon, possible na atubangon?
So with that, sir, no, because we already have the directive na suspended, so possibly if they will still charge atong increase, so it will be considered as overcharging, which is a breach of franchise condition because kung unsa ang dapat na sa atong taripa, mao gyud dapat atong i-charge. So pwede sila ma-violate nila is violation is overcharging, and then we have series of administrative penalties for that. For first offense, 5,000. Second offense is 10,000, and then third is 15,000 and suspension of CPC.
So di ba ma'am pag the usual practice even if nanay kaning order na for the fare increase pero kinahanglan magkuha gyapon sa taripa, di ba? Mao man na.
Yes, sir. Katong previously, because nala kay limited time, no, gitagaan tag, I think 2 days para i-implement tong fare increase. So, the central office provided us a fare guide. So, yung fare guide is a general matrix like kilometers and then pila ang iyang singil. But sa region man good naman tayo specific na per route. So, kato, we will be updating that in accordance sa kung pila ang increase But before na nila makuha, pwede nila gamitin tong general fare guide lang para makasingil sila sa increase.
But right now, wala pa bago na dyan.
Wala pa.
Although napalaw ang mga drivers kay excited na sila maka-increase sa pamasahe, unsay requirements kinahanglan pa sila makuha o katong taripa just in case nga ipadayo, in case lang nga ipadayo na ang fare increase, kinahanglan pa sila makuha ang taripa or i-publish na lang niya sa Facebook, i-download na lang nila ng taripa.
So, based sa katong dati sir, no, katong wala pa na-suspend, naatay general fare guide. So, the general fare guide will be used by the PUV drivers and operators para for the meantime, makasingil sila increase. Mausa tayo lang i-post. But they will be given a certain time, murag hangtod June to nakabutang sa order, dapat mukuha gyapon sila og fare matrix sa office to make the increase permanent. So katong general fare guide is for the meantime lang to nga wala pa sila nakakuha og fare matrix sa among office, but definitely required gid gyapon sila magkuha og fare matrix because the fare matrix is kanang specific manggod na siya. Like for example, Toril route, naa dito ang landmark, pila ang isingil dapat pag Toril to Rojas. So kana siya, kinahanglan na siya kuhaon sa office. Ang katong general fare guide is kuan lang siya, kanang dili siya detailed, like 5 kilometers pila ang singil ana. So kinahanglan mo kuha gid sila gyapon sir in case na mo resume na ta.